Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be dispersing our money for our 5th paycheck of January 2023. Remember I told you guys that instead of like just sporadically paying myself from my side hustle, I wanted to actually make it where it's pretty much like consistent. So what I did was the paydays that I get from my 9-to-5 job, I'll have that one week, and then the pay that I get from my side hustle, small business, I'll put that for the other week. So that way each week I can actually have income coming in. So that makes it a lot easier and a lot simpler. So the big thing for today, y'all, we are actually going to be finishing up my 52 weeks savings challenge. It's about time. All right. So, and with these challenges, guys, I always stress to you is that I know I get a lot of questions of when am I supposed to actually put money in these. The 52 weeks, it's like each week you put whatever the amount is, but with savings challenges, that's why I pretty much like doing like using like little books or doing different things, because you can pretty much figure out when you want to put it in yourself. If you don't have enough money to put it in for this week, skip this week and then wait till the next week or the next time you have the money and then do the next week. You don't, just because it says week 1, you don't have to put it in exactly in week 1. If you need to put it in for the second week and you still need to put week 1 in, just do it that way. So the savings challenges, you can just do them whenever you want to do them, or you can stay on schedule and you can do that. So totally up to you. All right. So I do have, let's see, let's go to our book. Because like I said, I'm trying to make sure that I keep up with my pay schedule. All right, so we're just going to go over this. I'm going to show you guys what this looks like, and then we're going to go ahead and do our cash stuff, because I'm excited because I am finishing the 52 weeks today. Okay, and then the 52 weeks will be back in stock maybe like the next 2 weeks, because I've had like a bunch of emails asking me when this will be back in stock, and then also the 1K savings challenge is coming back too. Okay. All right. So side hustle money, we're going to do $535. That's how much I paid myself. So excited. All right. As you can see, I have lines here, lines here, lines here. That's what I'm saying. With your budget, you can do it however you want to do it. And this is actually extra side money that I have. So, and then all of the other bills for this month have been paid with our last paycheck budget. So there was nothing left. So I figured I would just take this money here and I would just put it on my 52 week savings challenge, so I can go ahead and knock that out the ballpark. And then if I want to start it back over, I can start it back over, because this is pretty much reusable. Okay. All right. So we got payday is the 27th. So the pay is the 1st, 27th through the 31st. Only a couple days left. So I don't have anything for bills, transactions. We completed that on this page here with our 9-to-5 paycheck. Savings, I was going to do something, but I was like, nope. And then debt, nope. So I just put a line there. And then I am going to be adding money to my gas, because I told you guys that that's why I don't put too much for my 9-to-5 in my gas envelope, because usually with my side hustle money, I always put like $60, $70, or $50 from my side hustle money, and I do put that in my envelope, so that makes up for that. I don't have anything going into sinking funds. 52 weeks, guys, we're going to be doing $485, and that will get us to our finishing point. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, so that's what we're actually going to be doing for today. We don't really have nothing, but I wanted to make sure that I kept up with it in the book, so that I can pretty much go back and say, okay, paycheck budget 1, this is what I did for emergency, for my Discover card, for extra sinking funds. My savings challenges, I did paycheck 2. This is what I did for this. Or I can't see. Paycheck 3. This is what I have going on for this. And I do put small business, pay myself, and I need to put that. So let me do that. Small business, pay myself. I don't know what I did with mine. I don't think I have any highlighters around me. Yeah, I don't have any, but so that way I'll know that this is my small business check. So I'm just going to put this to the side, and we are going to go ahead and get this stuffing done, y'all. All right, so I'm going to do that. All right, and for these wallets, guys, I am I have some more in the making of these wallets, but I can put in the comments, guys, what colors you would like to see these in. I do have some croc ones coming. So yeah, so I do have a couple croc ones that are, I'm trying to see what they look like. So they're going to be sent to me, and then I'm going to take a look at it, and I'll show you guys, because you know I always show you guys and get your opinion. But what colors would you like to see these in? So like I said, just put in the comments for me, because I do like you guys' opinions. And we're going to add money to my gas there. So that's the only thing we have to add in here, and I might just go ahead and do that actually first. But let's go ahead and count our cash, and we're just going to sit that up there. Okay, so our cash is going to be $535. And y'all, today is warm. Like, I cannot, like, the weather, I don't know how to dress. I don't know how to put, like, not don't know how to, but I'm like, do I put up my long sleeves? Do I put up my short sleeves, or whatever I do? So I just been like pretty much rocking sweatsuits that I got from like Walmart. So because it's been, the weather's been crazy. All right, so we got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 500, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. All right. So we have all of this money that we're going to be stuffing. And I'm just going to put it, hopefully I'll have it right, because I didn't really plan it out. I just added up how much I needed, and I didn't really plan it out how I was going to disperse it. All right, so we're going to actually go, and we're going to get our personal. I take that back. We're going to do gas, because I always do personal and gas most of the time. So that's why I was like, we're going to do personal. So for gas, we're just going to do $50, and that's what I had in my book here. So I am actually going to just do 50, and we have $5. I think it's $5 left. Yep. So we have $5 in there. So that'll make us have $55. So we're going to do $55, and then we got $5. Let me do that. Okay. So that's 55. Nope. 50. Not 55. All right. Do 20, 40, and a 10. All right, so we got 20, 40, 50, and then that will make us have $55. So 20, 40, 50, 55. All right, so that's what we got right there. All right, so let me make sure I got this all sideways. What am I doing here? Okay. All right, so that is, and then I have to do my wallet unstuffing, but that is to come. All right, so now let's go ahead. Let's start trying to stuff this and see what we got. All right, so we are on week 43. So I'm going to try to do the ones, because I wasn't going to do it at first, but I want to make sure I use the ones just to be on the safe side. All right, so we're going to do 44. So we're going to do 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. Also 20, 44, so 2, 3, 44. So that's what we got going on there. So y'all, it has been, like I said, it has been pretty much rough, and I'm trying to keep it together, but yeah, we had, like I said, I had to head to the hospital every single day for hospital visits, 20, 40, 45, and then coming back to get Aiden. And then shout out to my little niece. She helps me sometimes, and she was able to, you know, keep Aiden and everything like that while I went. So we got 46. So we got 20, 40, 45, 46. And he said that she makes better ramen noodles than I do. So yeah. So I'm not allowed to make him ramen noodles. He likes the little oodles and noodles. Those are pretty good. They're not too bad. All right, so we got $47. So we're going to do 20, 40, 45, 46, 47. Yeah. So 20, 45, 46, 47. I thought that was quite funny because I'm like, Aiden, anybody can make noodles? So, but yeah, but she really did help me, and anytime I need something, and she was helping me pack orders too. So we got $48, 46, 47, 48. And so I was able to get some things done. So 20, 44, 46, 47, 48. So now I'm like pretty much playing like hurry up, catch up. So I'm trying to do that and make sure everything is pretty much good. I do have some new things coming to the shop. So like I said, I will have the wallets and the big, oh yeah, the big wallets are coming too, like the A5, the ones I do like my sinking funds in. So I know a lot of people have been asking me about those. All right, so we got 20, I'm gonna do 30, 40, 45. All right, 46, 47, 48, 49. So we do have that pretty much coming. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. I could not say 45. So I do have that coming. And yeah, so February will be pretty much like a reset because January, I'm gonna push this down. January was good at the beginning, and then because like I said, things happen. So we got $50. Things happen and you never know what is coming your way until it happens, right? But like I said, you just have to keep pushing forward and try not to be too negative about it. So we got $51. So we got 20, 40, 50, 51. Yeah. So you just gotta, yeah, because I was like, oh my goodness. But like I said, it worked out, and it will. You just have to be positive about it. So we got 20. Let's do 20, 40, 50. And I'm going to do 55. 20, 40, 50, 55. Hopefully, let me put this to the side. Let me see, because we got 53 left. Let me make sure I have enough for that. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And we don't. I need to break up these ones. I need to get 5 ones here. So let me see if I have any ones. I have some in my extra cash binder. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank goodness I did not deposit this yet. All right, so we got that. All right, so let's play this over again. All right, so we got 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, and then that will be good. And then I'm so excited. All right, so we have that 51. Oops. And then we got 53. This is finished. I did 2 challenges so far. I mean, they were a little bit from last year, but I finished 2. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. So I am like super proud. And like I said, I do need to pay my Discover credit card down. I don't even know how I folded this. I do need to pay my Discover credit card down, but I do want to make sure, because like I said, nobody knows how anything is going to go. So I do want to make sure that I have money in savings too, because yeah, I don't want to put it on Discover and then I don't have anything in savings, and then if something comes up and something happens, then I'm like using my credit card. So it's like that just defeats the purpose of me actually paying down my Discover card. So like I said, with budgeting, it's like, I know it's like a no-brainer to go ahead to pay like your credit card, but the thing about it is like you have to make sure you have savings also, because the reason why I was using my credit cards was because I didn't have any savings and I was using my credit card instead. So it's kind of like sometimes you just have to figure out what's best. So everybody's situation is pretty much different. All right, so y'all, we are pretty much finished. Ooh, we are finished. That's what a finished 52-week savings challenge binder looks like. Well, it might not be this thick because some of the numbers. So I will do a video on unstuffing this. So I I don't know, because last time I said my other one might be a little bit more, but I don't know if this one will be a little bit more also, because I don't know if some of them I did put extra. I cannot remember. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna bring my book back over here, and I am gonna actually, in my write it down in the back, I'm just gonna put savings challenges finished in January. So we got the 1K savings challenge. Whoops. So I did finish that one. And I'm gonna put a heart because that's awesome. And then I did the 52 weeks savings challenge. Okay, so these are the two that I got finished for January. So that way when I come to write it down in the back, I can say, hey, I did finish these two challenges in January. All right, so we got 535. So let's go ahead and do our totals. So we have 0 here. Y'all can see that I was gonna do this, but I was like, no, I'm gonna finish this. So we have 0 here. So we have 0 here. And then we have the 50 here, and then we have 0 here and 0 here. So then we have the 485. All right, so now we go back. We always check ourselves just to make sure that we did this correctly. So we have the 435 minus the 0, so that still leaves us 435. Not 435, 535. Y'all, I cannot talk. Okay, so 535 minus the 50. Minus the 50, that gives us 485. And then we have box 3 from E, so that's the 485. And then we have 485, 485. So we have that here. So we got to do our income. It's 535. So let's do 535 minus our expenses, which we see is we did 485 plus the $50. So that will make it 535. So we have 0. So we have 0 for buffer, but this is just basically our side hustle money, but our actual buffer that we have now, because I haven't used anything out of the checking, is $221.00. Okay. All right, guys, we are pretty much done. Thank you so much for chilling with me. Right, and if you have not already hopped over to my Instagram and my TikTok, it's called APinkeClothlife. Just make sure you follow me there, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share, like, and comment here. All right, guys, and then like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.